My name is Morgan Dickinson. I'm from Johns Creek, Georgia, and I attended the University of Georgia for undergrad, where I studied international affairs and minored in Spanish. Both my dad and my grandfather are in business together, and when I told my grandpa that I was coming to law school, as you can imagine, he's had some probably good and bad interactions with lawyers as a business owner. He was very shocked, but I said, don't worry, I'm gonna be a really nice attorney. When I was deciding if I did want to come to law school, I was deciding between the path of law, social services, or nonprofit work. I like that in law that you can get a lot done. I did debate going to law school for a lot of undergrad, went back and forth. You hear a lot about how challenging it is and how competitive it is. I didn't experience that. I experienced a really welcoming and challenging environment, which is good. Everybody's serious, wants to get here and get their degree and do good work. I didn't know very many people. I didn't know anybody coming to the school. And so I was really pleasantly surprised with how easy it was to make friends. And my classmates are supportive. Yes, we're all working towards the same goal, and it's inherently a competitive environment. I want to see my classmates succeed, and they want to see me succeed, and so do my professors. It's a good, serious, hardworking environment, but at the same time, supportive and uplifting. When I received my acceptance to the school, I got a call telling me that I was accepted and that they were looking forward to me coming and maybe visiting before I started, and I honestly really respected that. And I thought that showed an intentional effort to say, we want you here. And then second, coupled with the high rankings for the professor relationships that you're able to have here, that really was something that I valued. And I wanted an environment that was supportive and welcoming, and I saw that at Charleston School of Law. The Career Services Department here has definitely had a great impact on my ability to have legal experiences while I've been in law school, and that's been a really huge and great part of my law school experience here. First, I got my 2L summer clerkship through an OCI, so interviewed here on campus. It was one of the firms that the school had a relationship with in the area, and so that's how I got my summer job. And then, but more personal than that, when I was having a little life crisis, what do? I don't know what I'm doing. How do I get where I want to go? I went and saw Dean Sanders, who works in the Career Services Department, and just talked about all of that with him. And right away he said, I know who you need to talk to, and set me up with one of the attorneys in the area. She was so welcoming. I sat down, had lunch with her, and told her again, and she was really helpful, and it really made me more confident about what I was doing and what I was set out to do and what my legal career could look like. So, I mean, finding jobs and then also helping me get connected to people and the attorneys in the area who could be helpful for me. Charleston's a great town. I love living here. It's been really fun. Of course, I love the beach, and I think it's opened a whole new world to new hobbies I could have. I picked up surfing since I've been here, and then the end of finals week, one more final to go, I take my flashcards out to the beach and work out there just to get outside a little bit. So it's a great environment, a pretty active town, which I love. So when I'm not studying, when I'm not in school, there's a lot to do and to either get my mind off it or just take care of myself. And it's beautiful, lots of places to explore. It's a town people want to visit you in, so it's easy to get visitors to come and visit me on the weekends, and my parents too, and so lots of places to take them, and I'm really excited to show people around when they do come here.